Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop. So to do that, step 1, set up a Facebook business management account. So if you don't have one already, create a Facebook business manager account at business.facebook.com, and this account will help you manage your business assets including your Facebook and Instagram shop. Step 2. Create a Facebook page for your business. If you haven't created a Facebook page for your business yet, go to facebook.com, go to pages, and then create and set up a page. This page will be linked to your Shopify store and will serve as the basis for your Facebook and Instagram shop. Step 3. Install the Facebook channel on Shopify. So, in your Shopify admin, go to the Sales Channel section and click the plus Add Sales Channel button. Then find the Facebook channel and click Add. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store to Facebook. Step 4. Configure your Facebook channel settings. Once the Facebook channel is installed, this includes linking your Facebook account, selecting your Facebook page, and choosing the collection and products you want to sync to Facebook and Instagram. Step 5. Set up a Facebook Commerce Manager. In your Facebook Business Manager account, go to business.facebook.com/commerce_manager and follow the instructions to set up Commerce Manager. This step is necessary to manage your inventory, orders, and sales on Facebook and Instagram. Step 6. Sync your products. In the Facebook channel settings in your Shopify admin, make sure you've selected the collection and products you want to sync to Facebook and Instagram. Then click on the sync button to transfer your products to your Facebook and Instagram shops. Step 7. Review and publish your shop. Once your products are synced, go to your Facebook page and click on the shop tab. Review your products, add details like description and pricing, and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click publish to make your shop visible to the public. And last, connect Instagram shopping. To enable Instagram shopping, make sure your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook page. In your Facebook Business Manager, go to the Instagram account section and connect your Instagram account. And once connected, you'll be able to tag the product in your Instagram posts and stories. So that's how to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.